All right, day 9 here, and yeah, before we start tearing stuff out, thought I'd quickly show you guys again, the beautiful work that happened yesterday. So, I know the roof looks like the craters of the moon right now, but what's amazing is just how tight in everything got, and what's really crazy is actually how cool it is in here now. It's really warm outside with the sun being out, but it's legit chilly in here, so yeah, I think it's fair to say that this works. But yeah, as I said yesterday, Alex sprayed absolutely everything, the whole roof, every little nook and cranny got, foam stuck in there. I came in after and again, got all the wires, as you can see, all tucked away. So when we do the tongue and groove going over top, all those pot lights will be poking right up. After I'd cut all those bolts yesterday, I managed to get all that tin and railings that were on both sides of the bus, get that out. It was actually so long, I had to get it out through that hole in the floor there, through the luggage bay that was open. So, yeah. But there's going to be a little bigger hole in the floor than that, considering now I just grabbed all the pry bars and, this whole thing right here, that's out.